driving this race. They about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today. Thank God it's a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably upset. The end of it, do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he run through somebody. She done caught me on a bad day, her so perfect, keep blowing my headspace. The driver go straight to the staircase. How could I ever be late to the airplane? These Japanese governments.
Away gents, welcome to the vlog. I actually forgot to do an intro on this one, so I had to make it afterwards. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. We're gonna be modifying sleeves on the world's car, Corolla. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Got a proper modding the sleeves. We'll see how we put it together. We're gonna get them welded now. These are for the Corolla, so one more loads on it. It's a plate pele. Okay. But so before we trim it down.
And I'm feeling just like myself. Baby, what's best for me? G like this, I'm a lover boy fighting off death. Baby, what's best for me? Set up, charge why I keep getting next to me. Felt like ecstasy. I was in the high street when you was texting me. Gave them the rest of me. Felt my pain that they wanna invest in me. Baby, what's best for me? Codeine crazy, so I quit, can't let them see. She get the best of me. Mama getting scared, she don't know I'm trying. Bitch wanna have me all to herself, she ain't good at lying. Hey. Everything you say true. Told me from the jump and the nigga gon' break your heart. Pretty girl bulletproof. Son, I can't hit me, but I'm sliding in the SVR. Truck said look like a stoop. I ain't gon' judge, bitch, do what you do. I'm running up, probably do this shit too. I ain't been posting, you said
the locker adjuster on the setup that's on the Corolla, on the sleeves that are on the Corolla, don't wanna get out, so we're gonna use the ones I had on the NP200. Yeah, because you remove like the other, like there's two. There's the locker and then this one that holds the spring. So we're removing the locker for more loose. These are the exact sleeves I had on my MP200. So yeah. Ready and done. Oy, we regular bang kan las. Hola ko tlas.
Maybe gotta find more lows, you know.
It's more loose, I don't want.
Maybe I got more the stabilizer thing. I bet that's loose. Godelia, full coil.
Yeah, that's the main full coil. That's the main full coil.
Martabo, ni faratabo. La inta.
One day later.
Okay guys, I forgot to explain in the video, but this is the next day, and this is the ride height that it put us on with when we put the sleeve right over where the plate was, the spring plate was. So we weren't happy with this ride, height, so we decided to cut it again and then put the sleeve over the stabilizer bar. So we're gonna take them off and then get them welded. That's the ring that we got welded around the sleeve. It's gonna sit over that ring so it doesn't damage the stabilizer. So yeah, and we're also gonna do the rear. The rear we're not gonna modify. we're just gonna remove the locker and just run one thing so that we don't have to, so we get more loose without modifying it. Oh, also I forgot to mention, this is how the car looked before. As you can see in the front and rear, it had about like 2 or 3 fingers worth of wheel gap. So yeah, it's better.
Hours worth of work. This is the final outcome. It's a lot lower. No more wheel gap. And we still have full lock.
W's in the shot.
Like a tether was definitely an issue. Back home, we swinging the business. If it's more, let me know it's an issue. If you're pretty, I'ma hide the kitchen. If you look good, hit from the big ass. I'm running on a bow and I'm finna ass. Let the whole world know I'm a minute ass. Sipping on drink.
No balance. Steering not shaking. Let's cook your car for you. Okay, nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Let's start. Hey. This is just backyard shit. Like DIY arena, man. Relax. Not a workshop. If you would sign a lead or sign a contract or
whatever it's called.
It's our mama. Hey, I feel it move. Yeah. But yeah. That's it. It's proper job.
I can as long as got 120, 114 na still. Shit, I guess happy.
Nice.
As long as got 120, 114 na still.
Proper job. May the heavens be with you. I'm right better. next slice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, gents, that's the end of the video. I wanted to say thanks for watching the vlogs, and yeah, if you made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And sorry for this video being kind of short. The next one will be proper. We're gonna get some work on the polo and get it extra clean and proper. So yeah, look forward for the next one. Always.